Yo, check this out. This is Wayne Wonder, representing for Warwick Hill TV. You see the vision, don't it? See the vision. Warwick Hill TV. Keep it locked.
Now, I'm gonna tell you. We, us as bloggers, these are the issues that we need to address. You understand what I say? You see? Set the path for the youth. Share, like, and subscribe and stay tuned to the channel. I don't know all this. Yes, I. Greetings once again in the mighty name of His Imperial Majesty Emperor Haile Selassie I, and all things that's good. You see, once I welcome all viewers and subscribers. See, and once viewers, if you like the content, subscribe and make way grow the thing, you know. Dayton Campbell, Dr. Dayton Campbell. Yes, I. Gosh. Just like, you know, me I say, you know, me I look at the way me feel when me hear your name. Bridget, me I tell you, say, and me not say this is because, me not say, me not say the allegations are true or lie, but just the allegations alone in our culture, in a Jamaican culture, and them allegations they draw upon you, it leave a bitter taste. You know, see it? Yes, Rasta, me not telling a lie. And that's the thing when me know say you know. You know, see it, but you still there, a drag on this thing in the political sphere. Like, you rather, you know, you like, it's a selfishness, dirty, egotistic thing that some ownership, cronyism role in our play, because the whole thing, you bring the whole party in a dispute and you just sit down there and you just budge. You know, see, you're a doctor, you don't need politics. And I really see, regardless of how you want to prove this in a court of law, a Jamaican court of law, you know, Jamaica too corrupt for this really swing by poor people and is washed cleaned on a new day after all of this hash out, you know, wherever institution it might hash out. You know, see it? It not really, I don't think it a good character standings anymore. Regardless, yeah, this allegation I be, would just know say it damage your public persona, your public pull, your public, it damage you. You know, see it? And a long time it a go on. And the wickedest thing about it is not like so well then as somebody from outside of the party or the next party. You know, see it? It's kind of weird. See, say somebody from inside of your party pick up on that and point it out and draw them allegation upon you. And the next party just quiet about it. You know, see it, and they've not to push an agenda for certain more revelation or an inquiry of such. You know? We can understand say you and your friend them inside of your party a friend. Because we can still be a power boy business at play. So from day one me see it. You know, see it? That's why me think so with all wisdom, them gonna make Lisa and run the party and them just stay in the shades and go and do what them need to do. Just go and take the protection of politics after them from that level. You know, see it? But them use them power and them ego and come up front, come pan top, come turn 3 stools. Me and wait pan daring for join the game because Bunting and Golding up there. Like them figures, the people I got figure, them figure bought Cash Plus. So everybody else figure bought it and feel like so well then. A Cash Plus is the name, no? Yeah, like everybody else figure about that financial fiasco, that debacle, that hurricane in a Jamaican people bank account. And now, you know, it just you know, work out in a way that you control the national economy now. We don't really, I don't see how that I go fly convincingly in an election. But me leave that to you know, bro, God, cause again, you know, somebody have to have the whip you look like, you know, and somebody have to somebody have to take the lick. So if like a PNP I go and get some, guys, a joke. It's just a big joke. We not play out in front of we. Be all on our friend, and we know that. And we know, you know, really, you know, see, no business, oh, I make it look like, say, we take side over here, so and, you know, see, we know what go on. You know, see, a different level we depend. I think, you know, the GLP would have take the opportunity to run with that and a point it out, say, hey, that boy and look too right and all them things there. And we don't love them type of allegations they drop a man, you know, see. And in enough case, we know say enough progressive country, them would have just look at him and say, watch out. Not even in a most club, them would have just look at a guy and say, yo, them allegation here, you know, not look good for the image of the club Rasta. You see, if a guy not strong enough in himself looking at that and say, yo, them things are not look good for the image of the club, so I'll step back and clear this in a court of law as a private citizen. Rather than, and if anything later on you prove at the same court, I can prove it not as a private citizen as the one who can prove it as a public figure. You see, and the thing is, the damage we had do while being a public figure is quite selfish. And the thing is, no, it's like, so well then, nobody no see for point to that brother here. To make him know some brother, nobody will go, but just step back and go deal with the business. We support you wholeheartedly and we don't feel like you do it, but just go and go sort out yourself and then we're there. You know, see, I not really love that Rasta. The man, them put themselves in front of everything. Nothing, you go, oh, you know. Me wouldn't vote for PNP just because Dayton Campbell have the allegation here fly behind him Rasta. You mad? I'm gonna look on that fly me, I go, me not sure what go on. Me no want no saying at the end me vote for a pedophile, pour me vote and then later on it come out in a court now, all the two girls them come up front and go say, yeah, a true, and start and I start come on camera. And then nobody know want that's in them history. Who I go on that? We can't, we not, alright, even up, because how can I hear that thing that? No man, that's supposed to be strong and powerful man, that's him alone. For him ego or the protection of him ego is worth the defamation of the entire political movement. You don't see it. You don't see it. Our Jamaican politicians, them now, them not committed to we, them not care about what poor people think. Them not care about what the masses think or feel or what the culture is like among the masses. You see it? Because, again, I mean, it's only when it benefit them explore the culture and exploit it. Like bro God with them Clarks. You see, but on a bro God this, we are dealing with Dayton Campbell. You see it? We can't understand how Miss Cross. I remember which Cross, but Miss Cross name, where is in a member of the PNP party as well, where I can't see she have no benefit. Fear, bring the party into disrepute like this. You see it? It's weird and confusing. You see it? And it needs some guy to step back Rasta and go get this sort out. This don't look simple. You see it? If I could understand if somebody from across the floor I say certain things, you could have say it's politically motivated. But inside of your own party, yo, you're not too selfish, man. I want to so powerful. I much secret. A secret, you know, have one another why all you can really sit down in the position where you in today and I complain about and I do press release about people that draw allegation and not bring no proof. Come on now. Hold on there. At Jamaica, we are talking about, you know, and he's a powerful man. Prove, eh? 2 threats, man, and 2 intimidation because you, if that any case say the cases are true. See, you know who the abused are. You know who the underage children them would have been. See the allegation I say all the mother them take bribe from you and all them thing there. You know see it? So it wouldn't be And it wouldn't be foreign for you be able to reach them people. Jamaica, that is a politician. And like I said, politician thing, it's a connected, it's a game, it's a club right across the board. You know, see it, and only for other pedophile in the house too. You know, see it, right across the board. So we're not going to protect one another and thing like that. You know, see it, so even if she run going to GLP constituency and thing like that, she's not immune to your reach, to your power. Still, you still can reach her and intimidate her. You know, see it. A person like that, in order for them come public, has to be able to come public in a Jamaica and be free of harm. It have to be like a foreign state, the Americans or some European state, take her up and have her in give her some level of protection in order for she can have the sense of security to come right out and talk. That's impossible. Dayton Campbell talk about, oh no, nobody, no bring nobody come. You could have that covered easily, man. People will come talk, man, and you have the power enough where you can silence them after them talk and nobody know hear nothing what them say again. After them talk, but that's when you talk some little things more time when you selective way I want to apply things. You know, see it? Because at the end of the day, you know, with the criminality and the scam of them, you know, the credit, the scam of them with them ability there and them access and reach there. You know, see, but you now take them credit there for yourself, you know, no narrative, you know, no logics. When you not try to communicate something to people, you know, see it, like we are idiot, like the rest of it. And that may I tell you now, you use the imagination again, you know, when you not try to con the Jamaican public. You know, see it, that the defense they now fly right, you know, Rasta. You know, see, this don't look right. Because even from the corner with yourself as ghetto youth, Rasta, if a man, I get them allegation they drop on a man in Jamaica, even from the corner as ghetto youth, man, Rasta, we have more dignity than fear of the man there hang out amongst you and defend it like so well then, with the dead with him. You know, see, in most cases, the victim will side with, you know, the person who make the complaint, at them will side with more. I'm sorry for, especially in a case like a power player like yourself, Rasta. You know, see it. You know, see it. Me, I expect more push and pull from the GLP in regards to the whole thing, especially the other day when the politician, the next GLP man, they beat up him woman and thing like this, and it get out in the public. You know, see it. Them sure all them never just use this or bring back this. You see it, the whole on our friend. You know, see it. And one friend game I go on down at that. It's not, you see, outside, you see, the benefit of the club then extend outside of the club, the Rasta. You know, see it. You know, see it. Because when you hear them talk about, be careful how you, them are one another. Be careful how you conduct yourself because overseas guests are watch, or overseas people are watch. I wonder which overseas people them there watch Parliament I conduct, when I conduct itself at daytime. I wonder if like Jamaican people like myself when they're on Facebook and certain little thing we are watch. So are them attack them boss. You know see, no, we don't matter. The fact is, you know, aware say foreign people are watch. You know see it, you know say that over and over. You know see it, no. Wait, you know watch how foreign people conduct for themselves. Eh? Obviously, that means because you not try to apply on yourself. Do you them apply for themselves? You know see, they not say allegation like them there. Eh? As soon as allegation like them they dry, you know. Remember the club make you know so you go hold your corner one side and deal with that. You would now gonna make you draw. You can't wait, hold on there. It's like you not. When people make an allegation like that against somebody, no, Mark Golden, yeah, how you defend the person? Because if you defend the person where the allegation is made against, you actually condemn the person who make the allegation, you know. You see? Now, how you know, say, how you know who I tell truth from who I tell lie? No, regardless of how much you know that brother here and a feeling and affection and a connection towards him, regardless political alliance or what. You get what I say? In a case like this, You're in your right for remain neutral, for be a neutral, for play a neutral role. Yes, sir, Rasta. You know, see it? All when Dayton Campbell have evidence for sure say never they nowhere near the scene at the time when the crime are coming. You mean you have to shelf him. You have to shelf him and play a neutral role and act and show the country say you prepare for act on argument and allegation like them until the court play them out, Rasta. You know, see it? What you gonna do? Back him till the court, when the day when the court convict him. You not gonna say sorry, or at them time they will back off from him company. I wanna explain that to the victim. You know, see it? I wanna explain that to the victim. And victim like she, historical victims and all of them type of people there. How you not gonna show any level of loyalty or commitment for aid these people in them time of need when it's obvious that you not support, you more aligned with the for support the alleged perpetrator of the crime. You know, see it? We don't understand that. You know, see it? Mr. The PNP party done. Come like from PJ, take it, the PNP party done. It's a new day, it's a different type of mentality and attitude that go on. You know, see it? It's just capitalism encased in a type of left sense. You get what I say? A right-wingism, cronyism, boy, politics are play the same way in the PNP party. You know, see it? No disrespect. You know, see it? The man them start a level of infighting where you never see that before. Now it's like a big strong man over there. The whole of them are bad man for the world. You don't have no leader. You don't have no respect for the rule of law in a PNP party no more. Everybody unite just do what them want the Rasta. When you look up at the head of the table, you can see it, you don't need no more explanation. You know, see it? If really and truly, if bro God clean up film party, you know, start functioning at the capacity, and just ban him, take where him get already, and let go off agreed. It's like PNP party, no, you know, the minister PNP party in a position for bounce back. No time soon, you know. You know, see? Nah, man. Them people here, them just unite for the, I think them unite for the personal protection that politics can bring. All of them people here were in a politics right now. It's prefer. Me not trust Mark Golding. Me not trust Peter Bunting. The man them put up a blatant fight, a historical gang war battle in the eyes of the public. You see it? Oh, And it caused to this point the bad name, the bad characterization of the PNP up to now. You know, see it? From them start with that thing there, you know, see it? And them know what them a do, you know, see it? Like me I say, I just the protection our politics can bring. The whole of them people are in a PNP right, you know. I just that them in the fact. You know, see it? You know, see it? And if I so long this I go on, because I know me hear about this, you know. Me hear about this before me start blogging. Me hear about this Dayton Campbell thing here before me start do them video. You know, see it? It shouldn't there, so you know. This should be a private matter, this should be a matter between a private citizen and the courts. You know, see it? By this should be a matter of private. I mean, there is no proof either way. From the allegation, them draw a Rasta, you bring you paint party in a bad picture. You know, see it? Matter of fact, them expectation they will have for a public figure. You know, see it? You're not even supposed to, them type of allegation, they're not even supposed to drop on you. You know, see it? I bet a man say you rob him. Because that's easier proven than them type of thing, you Rasta. Them type of case are too delicate. You know, see it? And then it's hard for anybody outside that, oh, I want to work out that one, you Rasta. Somebody inside of the PNP. I draw them allegation upon, yo, where the PNP and when the PNP are going away? Where them I go these days? Eh? It's a big coronation market, that man, with big woman, sit down, man, we just live a market every day, man. And I thought, one of them come sell for 3 days out of the week or 4 days out of the week and come back home. And I thought, one of them there market every day, but now nothing now go on, man. They're just a fan. And I reason over there, so, with them friend. You know, see it? Yeah, them just put on the wheels and make it sell itself. You know, see it? At that, our politicians, them are the rest of them people are now put no character behind the process in order to develop. You know what I say? Forget something going. Them now no need. You now see the energy. You now see the practice them, the principle them. There is no consequence at all when them guys keep up. And them expect the youth, them youth and youth. You know, see, that's why I can't blame Uno. I can't blame the gunman them, master. I don't blame them for our things there. You know, see, I hope things never reach to this. And I hope it could have change. But like me I say, if we not have no exemplary leader up there, where they be a model of where them expect of the youth, them Rasta, where them expect of Jamaica, you're not going to have no better. You know, see it? Because I say it go, and that's why the youth them not really have no great respect for no elder tooth of certain way, because again, remember when enough elder used to play blind eye and never food mentality, let them just, you know, entertain and enable this same agenda, make it what it is today. You know, see it? You know, see it? Because, you know, ego and selfishness again same way. You know, see it? But I cannot see the decency in a Dayton Campbell. This look like some bully boy, bad boy, powerball business. I go on here so where like all little like 8 cents cost the first stone, no? It come like that day. Rasta, the man for the step back, Rasta, and clean up yourself, man. We don't know that depend you right here now. In the business of politics, that is a stain on your character. That's a stain on the party. That's a stain on the process. Whether or not you're guilty, Rasta, from an allegation like Joy, if you go and say, because again, being in the public sphere, being in a politics like that, the potential for you manipulate the investigation process or the justice process is great. You know, see it. You know, see it. So it's nasty, you know, probably that's why. Again, them reason why you could have even get a conviction or you could have even get a criminal investigation too tough yet. Because you still maintain the position. You know, see it, you're going to use the position there. If I not saw it go, this can be the possibility. It's a possibility, Rasta. And that's what we have narcissistic pedophile that they do. You know, see it? Using position for manipulate the justice process to remain free. You know, see it? So, you can't, you can't, if you're this indefensible, you know, always, just because of your position, Rasta. And that may I tell you, I have a different expectation from people like Uno when you find yourself in a certain position. Don't feel like this is, you can't sit down there and go on like this is another day. But if I need to be convicted in a court of law, Rasta, go inside, man, as a private citizen, go deal with court of law business, you know. In a public capacity and have allegation, pedophilic allegation a drop and you pull on the Rasta, this to normal, you know. Pull up, man, and back off, Rasta. I want to you. Wife, somebody did accuse us, say, a hit and run, murder, and when them look at your car, them see, and we say you can't find the car no more, and we can't find this, and we can't. You're still sitting in that power there, in a position there, and I say, have to be the court of the conflict. But we know, say, because of your position of power, yeah, the possibilities for you mess up the evidence and get rid of them thing there is so great. That's people like nothing. No, I hear that thing that they sit down there with a big ego. Rest of evil that. He's an evil man. You know, see it, a badness, a bully the whole Jamaica with the attitude Rasta. You know, see it, a bully boy attitude that. You know, see it, no, you have to come out and go, man. You know see it, a nasty boy allegation them they drop on people rasta. Them allegation they not acceptable. And that's something that you know that too. Well, I don't know that in there, you know. I don't rather live with that shame than just reason look on a guy and say, yo, go fix up this, you know. I didn't Campbell will a PMP party resta. And then even if it was him, yeah, you know, better when you go on once I go pick up back a dance and start again. Than have that guy here in there. All you expect say some belly lick business the whole on go on with at least. You know see it, I'm saying it. You know see it. See it. I eat that. You know see it. You know see it. Them and the power boy, if it no matter how powerful it is, man, if your character not clean, rasta, you're not good for representation or politics. You know see it. It just goes to show the level. Even the one them will lose them visa. Philip Powell and them people. I mean, you know, me don't know how like America, if me America now deem a man with questionable character that much, that's the man revoking visa. How America will feel comfortable doing business with the party they were still imply that character there. You know, this is not about the party or the people. They say the people are in a PNP, just in a club where some people where need certain level of protection or desire certain level of protection that politics can bring. You know, see, diplomatic immunity and them sort of a thing there when them got certain people country. You know, see, them people are not in it for the actual defined purpose where politics supposed to have for people. You know, see it. Them not in it for that. None of them. And the wickedest thing them could have do so much and still not giving a damn about the people. And still do a lot more for the people. You know, see it. But it's like them have a blatant, you know, them have a contempt for poor people, rasta. You know, see it. No, man. And again, me see, and every day them people here, you see them blind, you know, you know, you see power, yeah. I saw power stay, man, but yeah, you go and keep it, man, and make it go and do what go and do what you do, yeah, cause you know, say, you know, nobody now see what I want. No youth out there now realize what I want. All of them are eat that. No, so you can just go make them nyama food today. And no good for another 10 years. No. You know that's always the case, so who cares? Eh? You know? Don't know. Every day a bucket go well. One day the bottom I go drop out. One day the bottom I go drop out. You see it? I give thanks. Share, like, and subscribe. In a Rastafari name. Bless.